guys, karibuni sana to Kanini Flavors YouTube channel where we make simple amazing recipes. So on this episode we are making some amazing matoke. I hope you'll enjoy, and if it's your first time, karibu sana, and feel free to comment down below, to also share and also leave a positive comment, kindly a positive comment. So on this channel we make simple and most delicious recipe with the ingredients at home, the ones you can afford, the ones that are available. So feel free to comment and also share, like also the other videos, and I hope you'll enjoy. So let's start with the video. I hope you're liking what you're seeing. Let's start. We have our beef, coriander stems, coriander leaves, potatoes and bananas, onions, tomatoes, some salt, water, oil. First things first, we heat our sufuria and add some oil. Allow it to boil. And then I come in with my onions. I'll cook them for about 2 minutes. They are cooking for 2 minutes. At this point, I don't allow them to be golden brown. Yes, they'll be like that. Cook them till they are soft. And then come in my coriander stems. Kindly, if you not subscribe at this point, please do so. I stir them and allow them to cook for around 15 seconds. And then I come in my tomato, I'll give them time and add some salt. The salt help them to fasten the cooking. I'll cover them to allow them to cook. They are ready. Let me start them. Ensure that the tomato is well broken. I come in with my potatoes and bananas. This gives them time to ensure that they're well stirred and mixed with oil, salt and tomatoes for that beautiful color. Yes, I hope you're liking what you see. I'm stirring to avoid them sticking on the sufuria. I give them time to easy to interact, not really, with the oil and the onions and tomatoes, and then come in with my meats. Okay, the reason as to where I've put them after the bananas and potatoes is because they're already cooked, but you can opt the other way around. You start with the meat and later your viazis, your matoke. I'll then give time zive. They've already quivered for a few minutes. I'll then come in with my meats. Okay, the reason as to where I've put them after the bananas and potatoes is because they're already cooked, but you can opt the other way around. You start with the meat and later your viazis, your matoke. I'll then give time zive. They've already quivered for a few minutes. then come in with my water. You don't need much. The water is idea to allow it to cook because they're not ready. Cover them for about few minutes or so. They're boiling, or better ungesikia the smell. I wish it could just record. It's beautiful. Smells nice and delicious. If you've not watched my other videos, kindly do so. Yes, at this point they are ready. I come in with my coriander leaves. And then mix them together to allow them have that taste. Cover them for a few seconds. For like 10 seconds, and they are ready. Ready, very ready. Ready to be eaten. Yes, ready to be served. The breaking. Oh, it looks so yummy. Well, thank you. Our video will end at that point. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. Till next time. Bye bye. Go and like and watch the other videos. Thank you so much.